My name's Jonathan Hargreaves, and for this TRN Taster, we're looking at statistical methods to investigate situations. We've looked at mean, and now we're going to look at median. Median is the middle value of a data set. When you list the values in order from smallest to largest, let's have a look at an example. So let's write the figures: 45, 75, 12, 84, 63, 10 and 74. Let's put them all in order from left to right, smallest to highest. 10, 12, 45, 63, 74, 75 and 84. So the middle number of this set of data is 63. If you have a data set that has an even number of numbers in it, then you may need to work out the median value. So let's have a look at another example. Let's write the figures: 24, 78, 96, 35, 42, 11, 64 and 51. Now let's put them in order from smallest to the largest, left to right. So let's write 11, 24, 35, 42, 51, 64, 78 and 96. So we can see that when we have an even number of numbers, you will need to highlight the two middle values, which are, in this case, 42 and 51. So what we need to do is to add them together. 42 and 51 equals 93. And to get the median value, we need to divide that by 2, which we arrive at the figure of 46.5. This is the value that isn't in your data set, but is the middle point of the middle two numbers. So your median for this set would be 46.5. Unlike a mean value, a median value, which we're using in this case, would not be skewed by any very high or very low data values. Thank you for listening to this TRN Taster, and I hope to see you all soon.